Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to copy and paste on MacBook Air M4 2025. In order to copy and paste, you can copy or paste different things. You can copy files, documents, photos, as well as just plain text. There's lots of things that you can copy. I'm gonna show you some examples. So let's first get to maybe the notepad and just create a note that we'll later on copy. So I'm just gonna create a new one. Let's type in whatever. Now as I selected, I can either click on it with 2 fingers and click on copy, or instead of that, I can just, while it's selected, I can click on Command and V at the same time on the keyboard. Command and C for copy. So now it is copied. You can also do that by clicking on Edit, then Copy, but you can see here is the shortcut for it even. Then you can paste it by right-clicking, clicking with 2 fingers and clicking on paste, or Command V, or Edit, then paste. You can also click on, that's gonna be a long shortcut, the Option Shift Command V. I don't know if I can do it with like one hand. Yes, so in this case it will not do a lot, but this will basically match the style of the text that you have here. So if you, for example, are pasting something from a different place and it had different formatting, for example, it wasn't bold, or the size of the text was different or something, and want to paste it in the format of the text that is set right now in the text editor you want to paste it to, then it's gonna be great with the Shift Option Command V. But I don't really like this shortcut. Instead, I always go to Edit and just click on Paste and Match Style. You can also click on Paste and Retain Style, so it'll paste. It will make sure that the pasted text retains the style that was in the place where you have copied it from. So even sometimes the fonts, depending on the text editor you're using, that's really great. You can also cut something. So cutting is just like when it's selected, you can click on Command X. It'll remove the text, but it'll be copied. So maybe let's type in something different to make sure it's copied. As I selected, click on Command X. You can see it's deleted, but as I click on Command V, it pastes it. And these are basically the pasting options. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.